Thank you, beta. Now, classification of animals on the basis of how they reproduce. One type of classification is given in your book in the on the way how they reproduce. First is given, that is oviparous. Can you find this topic in your textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And another one is viviparous. You can say viviparous, but better viviparous.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, oviparous and viviparous. This is the type of classification of animals. You will come to know that ovi means egg, while vivi means living organism, same as parent. Understand? So, oviparous animals are those which can lay egg, like hens, birds, okay, snakes. All these are many of the insects too, which lays eggs. Many of them, not all. Okay. And viviparous means they.
Can you place your copy vertically?
Is it so now?
No, ma'am, vertically. It is so horizontal, ma'am.
Actually, for me, it is vertical. Let me. Okay, fine. This is how?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay for you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, where were we? We were at oviparous and viviparous. Okay. So, ovi are egg laying animals, while they give birth to babies like us.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta?
Ma'am, can we say viviparous as mammals?
Yes, almost 99.9% of mammals are classified in viviparous. And some of the undiscovered organisms are still there. Okay. So that's why I used 99.9. Okay. So humans, blue whales, okay, those who give birth to babies are viviparous, and those are egg laying animals are oviparous animals. You can read that particular definition, okay, given in your textbook if you want to have a look on it. Fine. So this is called oviparous and viviparous organism. Let me share one fact with you. Fact means it is true for majority of organisms that all the oviparous organisms are the animals in which you can't see their ears. Can't see ears easily. That means your external ear is there, they don't have them. Their ears are covered with their fur or their skin or fats, like that. So oviparous animals, almost you can see hens. Can you see the ears of the hens?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Can you see the ears of snake?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Birds?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It's
No,
they have
ma'am.
ears. Okay, you can't see them externally. They have ears, but you can't see them externally. Snakes don't have. Okay, so this is a fact. It's true. See, whatever we are studying in biology, it is not always for all the organisms. There always be exceptions. Okay, so majority of oviparous animals are the organisms in which you can't see ears. Okay, while in viviparous you can see the ears. Humans, you can see the ears, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then any other example you can give? Dogs, cats, rabbits.
Ma'am, elephant.
Yes, you can see big ears when they are viviparous. If they have big ears, they will give birth to babies. If you can't see the ears, probably they will be egg-laying animals. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is more than enough for oviparous and
Ma'am?
viviparous. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Hello.
can you please change the direction of the copy as I am doing the class in the laptop and it is creating problem for me to see the copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm also doing my class in my laptop.
So what do you want me to do?
Ma'am?
Shall I place it vertically or horizontally?
Ma'am, it is vertically, ma'am. Place your mobile only horizontally. Then it will be okay. Ma'am, not the
Yes,
copy,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Move your phone.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is okay. Ma'am, this.
Yes,
Yes,
Is it
ma'am. Now it
okay
is
now?
okay.
Okay, so you all are techno peoples. I don't understand technology easily. Huh? Help me out for this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. I was not knowing this. You increased my knowledge today. Okay, so is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now it is
ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, these fishes are oviparous or viviparous?
Which one?
Ma'am, fish.
Fish. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, have you seen the eggs of the fish or babies of the fish?
Ma'am, eggs.
Ma'am,
Eggs.
Ma'am,
eggs.
both.
Ma'am, eggs.
Ma'am, both. Ma'am, both.
Both. Some of them are
Blue whales. Yes, ma'am.
okay. Fine. So what I said, in biology, none of the thing will be 100%. There will be always exceptions. Okay.
Ma'am, then if
ma'am.
it comes that fishes are oviparous or viviparous, then what we will write?
Then you must be having that exception case also. If it is asked in true and false, then definitely you will go for fishes are oviparous. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
because blue whale comes under mammal category. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
So now shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes,
So next,
ma'am.
okay, you all are very good and you are sounding too good. Huh? Your voice is, everybody's voice is too good. So next topic is metamorphosis. Can you find this in your textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So metamorphosis. What does that mean? Let me explain. Okay. First of all, morphosis or morphology. or we can use the word, easiest word is body structure. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And meta means
Yes, ma'am.
changes. Got it? So what happens in this process is some of the living organisms, some, okay, some is very important for this. Some of the living organisms are, whenever they are producing their young one, okay, so you must have seen whenever human babies are born, they are same as bigger human, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
They are same as their adults. Means whenever you are seeing a human baby, can you say ki yes, he is a human, he is a boy, he is a girl, he has 2 hands, he has 2 legs, everything is same, just in compact small size form.
Yes.
Okay, but in some organism this is not the case. Okay, so for example, you must have seen frogs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so frogs lays eggs from which tadpoles come out. Okay, tadpoles are little fish like structure. You must have seen whenever it's raining and wherever there is a puddle is formed, that means little amount of water is accumulated in roadside area. In that you must have seen small fish like structures.
Yes, ma'am.
Those are tadpoles, and whenever they will be adult, they will look like frogs. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you
Yes,
seen
ma'am.
Tare Zameen Par?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
Yes,
must
ma'am.
have seen that boy in the beginning of the movie when that song plays, when he got punished and he ran away from the school. He collects water from the roadside area in the bottle, and small fishes he collects.
Yes, ma'am.
In that small fishes, he has collected some of the tadpoles too. Okay, so movies are good to watch.
Okay, ma'am.
Ishan.
Okay, Ishan, very good. Fine. So frogs are giving birth to their young ones, which are not same as their adult form. Whenever you are seeing tadpoles, can you, if you don't know about science, if you are a common general people going around, can you see these are tadpoles or these are fish? Can you distinguish?
No, ma'am.
It's very difficult to different, because you are studying biology. That's why you can say, these are the tadpoles of the frogs. But those who have not studied, for them these are fish. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
frogs are giving birth to frogs only, but they look like fish and they are known as tadpoles. That is why tadpoles. Good. So that means these frogs changes their body structure till they reach the adult stage. Okay. So whenever the organism changes their body structure in the process of their growth, that process is called metamorphosis. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good.
please repeat again, ma'am. Pardon.
Shall I repeat the definition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Okay. Write down some of the organisms changes their physical structure after their birth till they reach to adult stage. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this definition to make you understand, okay, there must be definition in your textbooks too. Just go through it, okay? Now, shall I go further?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Another example you can take is for butterfly. Okay, butterfly also have the process of metamorphosis while they are growing. I will show you one picture, one
Ma'am,
cycle. From,
caterpillar.
yes, caterpillar is a metamorphic form of butterfly. I can show you this. Can you see this butterfly life cycle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
See, it's
Yes,
having
ma'am.
an egg. From egg comes out the caterpillar. Then you have chrysalis. Chrysalis is also called pupa.
Pupa.
Some of you must in some of the okay. Then adult comes out of it, and you can see the adult form of butterfly. Is it clear to you all?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
can save this picture. I think screenshot facility must be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Just click it for a further references for you.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how this is called metamorphosis. Whatever is here is happening is called metamorphosis. That means physical structure of organism changes as it is reaching to the adult stage, and that process is called metamorphosis. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So till here is about asexual reproduction, oviparous, viviparous, and metamorphosis. So major part of your this chapter is done, and another 50% is about sexual reproduction. That we will also understand later on in the next class. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
Fine. And another one example, interesting example is given in your book is sheep dolly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Cloning.
ma'am.
Cloning.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am, first animal to be cloned.
The story of cloning.
Yes. Is it interesting for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, good. So just go through it. It is good one to understand that what do you mean by cloning, because when you will be coming to the higher classes, you will be studying genetics, and that genetics will be asking you a lot of questions regarding this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. And may I ask you one thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your sir told me that some of your class has been missed in the last chapters or something like that. Is it so?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Last week we
Yes,
didn't have
ma'am.
biology class.
Okay, you missed. What topics you have missed?
Ma'am, we were going
Ma'am,
on
we
through
have
this
done up to
reproduction
female
chapter.
reproduction, sir. Ma'am, female reproduction.
Okay, you are done with the female reproduction. Till there it is done.
Ma'am, female reproductive system.
Female
Okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
that
till
Ma'am,
we
male
will
evolution
done.
we have done.
Ma'am, male and female both done.
got done. Okay, fine. So in next class we will see that again. Male reproductive organs and systems and
Ma'am, drawing
female.
also.
Yes, definitely. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye,
And
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
yes, yes. And another thing is, let me give you one task.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
write down the difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. Okay, with examples.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many points?
You can write for 4 marks.
Ma'am means 4 points.
How you are counting? Like this? 1, 2, 3, 4?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
One,
Both
4
sides
for
4, 4.
asexual and 4 for sexual.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in school we do this only.
Okay, fine. So, good. So, 4
Ma'am, with
points it
example
means-
4 points or
No, without example, because examples are not classified in the differences.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And another thing is that for the next when we will be studying this reproductive organs of male and female, just keep the pictures in front of you and you have studied, then it will be easier for me to go through it. Okay.
Ma'am, we
Okay,
have drawn
ma'am.
the picture when sir was teaching us.
Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
well and good. Then it's well and good. So for
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.